Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. And today I'm going to show you how to make magenta, otherwise known as fuchsia, watercolor using Artist's Loft watercolors. I'm going to use 1 part crimson red and 3 parts Chinese white. So I'm going to mix that up with my watercolor brush, and then we'll add a little bit of water and show you the values of this paint on a piece of mixed media paper. So I'm just making a little heart here, and I'll go ahead and fill it in a little bit so you can see some different values. That's coming out okay, but I don't really like this. Let's try again. This is a little bit of an abstract heart, but now you can see the pink gradient. I want to invite you to check out my color mixing book. Here's a quick preview of the basics of color mixing, written and illustrated by me, Sarah Claire. After reading this book, you will know how to identify and define primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, harmonious and contrasting colors, as well as color values. You will learn how to mix secondary colors using primary colors, how to mix tertiary colors using primary and secondary colors, also how to mix or avoid mixing contrasting colors, how to mix various color values using equal parts or percentages, and how to make pastel colors and shadow colors. This book is available as an ebook for just $3.99 and in paperback. Just click on the link at the top of the description and that will take you to the Amazon page where you can read more.